Hey y'all, it's Evelyn. Today is a big day. We are officially on a mission to replace my sister's old living room set. Now, if you're not new here, you've seen me style her space a few times already on this channel. But today, we're starting from scratch. It's tax season, which is the perfect time to invest in those big ticket items like furniture that actually lasts. But there's one problem. She wants a bed in her living room, and I want elevated marble. Let's see if we can find a middle ground. Let's get into it. First stop is Ashley Furniture. It's a battle of comfort versus style. And if my sister listens to me, I bet you we can get both. Even though some of these pieces won't work for my sister's living room, I'm still sharing them because I want you to see what's out here right now. It's tax season, which is the perfect time to upgrade your space. So I'm giving you a full look at what the stores are offering. I am immediately drawn to this oval coffee table. They are so on trend right now. I'm seeing them at all the stores. I'm drawn to the clean lines and organic textures. My sister, well, she's busy making sure that every cushion is nap approved. They had a leather cloud couch that looked beautiful from a distance, but up close, you could already see the wear from the customer sitting on. And that's something I always pay attention to. If it's showing wear in the showroom, imagine how it might look in a home with kids or grandkids visiting. When you're shopping, pay attention to how the floor models are holding up. It can give you a good idea of how the piece would age in your home. And that's a tip from someone that's not new to it, but true to it. Now, don't get me wrong, comfort is key, but I'm pushing for a neutral palette so we have a blank canvas for our seasonal decor and to be able to build off of. Okay, we do have one hurdle down by now, and we're positive that she wants a recliner.
And like I said, it works.
I see. Now, did you get the massage thing on?
That's why I'm on now. No, it's in the back. Like going from the tailbone all the way back. It goes the neck all the way. Ain't you see me percolating up here?
That's exactly what you're doing now.
I be a fell asleep in this chair. I be waking up. Wait a minute, don't I supposed to be in the bag? Yep, I'm gonna be in the bag.
Okay, this might be the one. We're talking heat, massage, and USB port. It has that Martin silhouette. As we are discussing the price, I'm also listening for motor noise. My sister's cheap, y'all.
over there.
I'm
Put it on
frugal,
2000.
and
It
there
was
is a difference.
14.99. You was talking about how that was.
Yeah, it was that 14.
But I ain't say nothing. Cause you say I don't want to hear nothing about you say it ain't bud and all
Yeah,
that.
exactly. Because you do
But
that.
but I want to say, April, it's got all the things you need. You want to go down to a $500 recliner.
Yeah, but when I looked, I was just looking at it because I was saying it was power.
Yeah,
Power
but I'm
stuff.
saying you need
Yeah.
stuff because of the lifestyle that you have.
Yeah.
You work hard.
Yeah. That I do. I work slave
And
so much.
Baby, please. Anyway, you getting all overboard now. So you're going too far now.
Yeah.
But you see what the extra money coming in at. Let me see what it feel like myself. Because I'm going to sit in when you ain't there and I'm over there decorate.
Okay, yeah. I sure let you sit in.
Okay, so these are Martin's arms. Oh, boy.
What?
It's massaging right now.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it's massage you a whole back and everything. That first one and stuff. That's when you let up the first one. That first one that's up. See, there's a website that's going.
Now I know it looks like I'm just chilling, and it is, but I'm also checking the durability of the leather, also listening for that motor, because all of that you look for when you about to drop $2,000 for a recliner. But y'all don't sleep on price matching. You can save a lot of money if another store has it for cheap.
Getting a pedicure, eh?
Oh, dude. Oh, okay.
You know how you getting a pedicure, sure? And
You know, I don't be getting pedicures and manicures like you do. I get massages, but you know, you get the pedicures and manicures.
Oh, this feel good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what we need to do is see if we can get a piece of that other furniture over here so we can see if it matches.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, the thing about it is, though, is this one is like that on top.
I understand that.
As I discussed the pricing and explained to her about price matching and trying to keep it in her budget, I find it very difficult to let go of this chair you all. Ooh, it feels so good.
Ooh, baby, just saying, feel good.
Yeah, I ain't made it very far.
Yeah, I really see. I see one that I like, and I'm trying to see if it's gonna match with this, and then the cost of it all. So that's why we looking at. I'm thinking about all of it.
Usually it be on the inner side, April.
Wait a minute, this is, but you can get all those different gadgets either.
No, don't fall out. One thing for certain, my sister's gonna make sure it's NAP approved. I like that. Now you can get the things that from Amazon that you lay across the arm, and they have a cup holder, a thing that you can put your
charge my phone. Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
We are both loving this set. It's neutral and modern enough to work in her living room space. But I'm a bargain shopper, so we're going to look in other stores and see if we can find this or something similar at a lower price. So let's head to Royal Furniture.
I had down my teeth. I had to go back in the house and get it. Hello. How you doing? Raise up or whatever. But you know, I be having the business to attend to. So I got the cup holder. But see, I'm gonna get a chair that's just like it. You know what I'm talking about? But I don't want nothing bucky. You know
Yeah, and that's like for an Adenian or something like that. My sister tested out a few fabrics like microfiber, leather, performance fabric. I personally love performance fabric for families because it's durable, easy to maintain, and it holds its color beautifully over time. So if you're shopping this season, that may be a great option for you. So she made her mind up that she wanted a recliner. Now listen, my job was to make sure she did not walk out of there with a grandpa recliner. You know the ones, super comfy, but they look like they belong in somebody's man cave. We needed something modern, sturdy, and wide enough for the women in our family because we are all blessed in the hips, okay?
It ain't that then all that.
Yeah.
It ain't
I
all.
knew that when I saw the price on them.
Yeah,
And it's
but
got the little lighting and stuff like that on it or whatever,
yeah.
but
Like I said, it be.
something like that'll be good for Julian.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good and sturdy. Okay. But see, I still want something to let out. But I like this color though.
I like the material too.
It's good and soft. Really, it ain't leather.
It's probably bonded leather.
Cause I like this color. Put all kind of different things on it. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's too big. It's too big. I don't want to make it.
We got into a bunch of leather pieces.
Yeah, but
So that's the kind of fabric you're looking for?
yeah, I don't like the soft kind. I noticed the soft kind, when you sit down on it, it don't hold. You know what I'm talking about? If you some big girthy girls and stuff, you in case point, sit down stuff how you flop down, how you normally be flopping down on furniture. You just flop down like you really just don't give a damn. Yeah, this how you normally do. Yeah, like I said, it'd be something like this, and then I get that chair like I had over there, and put both of them together. You know what I'm talking about? Right here.
That's exactly how you sound.
You can know how you tell you.
Charger port.
Like I said, flop on it. Flop. It's how you normally flop on stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Yeah, because your tail don't know how to sit on folks' furniture right.
Look at her already claiming that recliner and getting real comfortable. That's the same one we saw at Ashley's Furniture. I'm going to show you all the furniture she decided to bring home. And there you have it. We settled on this neutral reclining performance fabric sofa and that leather recliner with all the bells and whistles. They are not a matching set, but they do complement one another. It fits that elevated modern vibe that leans toward that Shelton signature style, and it gives her that back massage she's been dreaming of. This is just the beginning though. Make sure you subscribe because I'm coming back soon for a full spring decorate with me to really bring this room to life. I will also be sharing shop with me's because this room needs a coffee table and accent. I can go to sleep right here.
I've been asleep a few times.
I ain't gonna tell you about how cheap your auntie was being.
Whatever.
But I got her original price tag down almost $1,000 in the case.
Now you just start going.
Well, how much was it? 600, 700, 800, how much?
It was like $500.
It was more than that from the original.
You know, remember that one right there was at 2000. It what's the name? And then it was 1400 at Roar. She gonna take off $100.
Baby.